Hey Doug, I spoke with Yvonne earlier on the phone, and my name is Lee Terbianic, and I want to show you guys 3 things that you could do to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how we can help grow your business, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips I've given you in this video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on the video. So let's jump right in. 3 major things I want to go over today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is basically anything that you can see on the front page, including the pictures and what they're saved as. So Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a home page, and as you can see, you probably have around 200 total. You got to think, Google is only a bot that crawls your website and can only read. So if you don't have enough information for it to depict what you guys are offering, it can't really rank you for anything. So let's see this. I did a search for plumber, Bakersfield, California, and as you can see that Bakersfield, California, plumberrouter.com, they are in first place. So I wanted to see what kind of content they had. And as we scroll down, this is just their Bakersfield location page. Roto-Rooter is a franchise, but this page is the one we need to beat out. They don't have much content on this either. So if you were to go get that 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, you'd beat them out in this aspect. And I'll show you these keywords here in a minute. But let's break down Google. Now, Google is broke down into 3 sections. This top section is usually ads. And this middle section is the GMB or Google Map Pack. Now, this is where you want to be, because most people go to this section and down here. They don't ever click on the ads. So what ranks you in this GMB is a citation. Now, a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. So I have a tool I use called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder. And as you can see, Advanced Plumbing Service is in first place. So I plugged in their information, and they have 55 citations. Now, the best part about this tool is we can go into their citations, and they're all laid out for us to go submit for your business. Each and every one of these we can submit all the way down in the red. And it says they have 55, but in all reality, they have maybe 25 that are actually transferring power. Now, this DA is the domain authority, so they're not created equal. Some are stronger than others, as you can see. 100 being the strongest, 0 being the weakest. So we want to go out and get these strong ones that they have, put them to your map listing, and then go get maybe 80 to 100 more and beat these guys out by a landslide and get you up in this top 3, bringing in tons of business. And also getting your name, address, and phone number in more directories so people can find you. So that's the map listing. And the third thing I want to cover with you guys is backlinks. Now, a backlink is what ranks you in this organic section, which has to deal directly with your website. Now, you're probably wondering what a backlink is. A backlink is when one website links back to another website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen it before on a website where there's little blue writing. You click on it and it takes you to another website. Well, Google loves those and considers those votes for your website. So the more backlinks you have, the higher you'll rank. So I have another tool I use called Arifs, and it will take an overview of your site. As you can see, I plugged in OnTime Home Pros up here, your domain name. And as you can see, this will show me the overview of all your stats. Now, this UR and DR numbers are very important. You want these numbers as high as possible and as close together as possible. So this UR number is the overall strength to your website, and this DR is the strength of your backlink profile. So as you can see, you have a 4.6, meaning that your backlinks aren't that strong. Now, like the citations, they're not created equal, so you want websites linking back to you that are relevant to your niche. If Pizza Hut was linking to you, it's not going to transfer as much power as another plumber's website giving you a backlink and saying, yes, I would let my traffic go from my website to his website. So anyways, as you can see, you have 447 backlinks coming from 44 referring domains or websites. But the only ones that transfer power are these do follow links, and you only have 12 of them. So that's why your backlink rating is so low. But you're ranking for 127 keywords and you're getting about 40 traffic. That's because you're not on the first page. And I'm going to show you your keywords here in 1 second. I'm going to show you your competitor first, the Roto-Rooter Bakersfield. You can see he has a 20 and a 72. Now his backlink profile is strong and it's transferring from his main rotorooter.com page to his Bakersfield location page. But this page is easy to beat out. He only has 22 referring domains going to this page, giving him 224 backlinks with 6 do follow. So if we were to go to grab all his backlinks, which we can easily do, we click on his backlinks and here they all are laid out to be submitted for your business. We would easily beat him out. We know it's working for him, it would work for you. Plus I have access to a pool of very strong backlinks that would really rank above him. And I want to touch base on your keywords though. So let's go back. On Time Home Pros, you're ranking for 127 keywords, so let's see what they are. The majority of them are your name, so that's people looking directly for you. Now this is going to show me the keyword, how many times it's being searched each month, and how hard it is to rank for it. 0 being the easiest to rank for, 100 being the hardest. So as we scroll down, you can see Bakersfield Home Services has 20 searches a month. That means 20 people are looking for home services in Bakersfield each and every month. Air conditioning service Bakersfield, 60 searches. Quality home services Bakersfield, 40. Air conditioning service Bakersfield, 100. Bakersfield AC service HVAC Bakersfield, California, 40. HVAC Bakersfield, 100. You have a ton of search volume, but for all of these you can see you're on the 20th and 30th position. Anywhere that deep, you're on the 2nd and 3rd page. You need to get on the 1st page to be pulling a lot of traffic. So let's see what kind of keywords Roto-Rooter has. Bakersfield Plumber, 300 searches a month and 17 KD. Bakersfield Plumbers, 250 and 9. Emergency Plumber Services, 200 searches. Plumbers in Bakersfield, 400. I mean, that's 400 people each and every month. This is a monthly number, looking for a plumber in Bakersfield just off of this keyword. And that's why it's important to have that 1,500 words on your home page, so you can put a lot of these keywords throughout it. And when Google recognizes that somebody types this into their search engine and sees it on your site, and your site is powered by backlinks, boom, you're going to get all of that traffic coming to you. Look at the traffic he's gaining, 40, 36, 25. There's 100 jobs right there off of 4 keywords. So I'd love to help you out with this. Let's go over what we talked about. The first thing was your front page needs at least 1,500 words to fit those keywords we were just talking about throughout it. You could put 1 per every 100 words, so about 15 on your home page. The second thing we talked about was citations, which is what ranks you in this map pack listing. And that I want to get 200 to 300 for your business to beat the competition by a landslide, plus to get your name out there in more directories for people to find you. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Doug, and I hope you have a great day today. And remember, any and all feedback after you watch this is greatly appreciated. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.